Hello and welcome. I've done some videos on the ice effect or Larimar, whichever you would want to call it, and I've done that using, flat round coasters or a platter, and I wanted to see how it would work in an actual deeper type of mold. These aren't extremely deep, but these are the people molds with the different expressions, and I want to see if you can get that effect in something like this. So I'm going to be using some cast and craft, some enoki, and the colors I'm going to use onyx because I want to see if it almost gives it like a marble type of effect. And then I will also be using some butterscotch. So I've mixed up about 7.5 ounces of resin. That should be more than enough for this project. So I'm just going to divide my resin into smaller cups and pigment. So I'm going to do the same type of technique where I pour one color first. And since these are odd shaped molds, I'm just going to start pouring at the bottom. So first I'm going to do the white. I'm going to do the same probably on the top as well. Alright, then I'm going to go in with the black, just right in the middle. And the brown. Now I'm going to go to the top with the white. And then the black. And then the brown. And then I will come in with clear just to fill them. And so for all three, it takes 7 ounces of resin because I have about a ½ ounce left. And then I'm going to let it sit and see what happens. Okay, it's the next day and these are now fully cured, so I'm going to demold and see what we have. Oh wow, that turned out really cool. It's not necessarily the ice or Larimar effect, but I like it. I always worry that you can't see the detail as well on video as you can in person, because some of this is just very interesting, the way that the resin worked itself together. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and press the bell to be alerted to future videos. And I will go in for a close-up here shortly to show you more of the detail.